On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method that I'm about to show you does not require any investment and it is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money from home as a complete beginner. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network where you can get affiliate offers to promote. In this case, I'm using Market Help. Market Help is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can search for Market Help. Once you search, you can join as an affiliate so that you can find affiliate offers to promote. There are a lot of different health related offers on Market Help that you can promote as an affiliate. So just search for Market Help. Once you search for it, click right here, join now. Once you click on it, you have to enter your details so that you can be able to create a free account. Once you create your accounts, you can be able to promote offers on this platform so that you can be earning a commission anytime you get a sale. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to find offers to promote. To find offers, you have to come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, you can see offers. You can click on it so that you can find offers that are available for you to promote. So click on it. Once you click on offers, you're going to see a page like this. As you can see, these are categories of offers that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. So any category that you want, you can click on it and then select any product that you want so that you can promote it. You can see the categories. You can see they have business opportunities, cosmetics, health and beauty stores, pet health, skincare, teeth whitening, women's health and beauty. You can see a whole lot of other categories of health related offers that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. So click on any category that you want so that you can find offers to promote. In this case, I'm going to be promoting a weight loss offer. So click on weight loss products. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. As you can see, these are weight loss offers that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. Now what you have to do is that you have to select the one that you want. Each of them, you can see the commission rate. Some of them, they are going to pay you a flat fee. Others are going to give you a percentage of the price of the product. You can see the first one, anytime you get a sale, you're going to be earning $30. The next one, you're going to be earning a percentage of the price. So you are going to be earning 50% of the price of the product. The next one, you're going to be earning $45 per every sale that you get. You can see the next one, $45. The next one, 50%. Each of the offers have different commission structures. So any of them that you select, you can be able to make money once you get sales. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. The commission rate is $75, so that is the amount that you're going to earn per every sale that you get. To promote the offer, just click on it so that you can get more details of the offer. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see this is your affiliate link. So you have to get people to click on this link and then purchase the product so that you can be earning money. If you want to shorten your affiliate link, you can click right here, shorten URL. Once you click on it, the link has been shortened. Apart from that, when you scroll down, you can see many other details of the product. You can see the expiring date. It is going to expire on December 31st, 2038 at 11:59 p.m. So you have to always take note of the expiring date of the product before you promote it. Once that is done, when you scroll down, you can see this is the preview of the landing page. You can see a brief description of the product. You can see it right here. Now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to view the landing page so that we can get more information about the offer. So click on preview landing page. Once you click on it, you can see this is the landing page of the product. If you scroll down, you get more details about the product. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of details about the product. You can see everything. You can see everything about the product. So you have to take the time and then read the information on the landing page before you promote it. You have to promote a product that you have some brief information about. Do not promote a product without having any knowledge about it. So make sure you read the information on the landing page before you begin to promote the offer. You can see a whole lot of different details on the landing page. Now once you have seen the details on the landing page, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it. You have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to purchase the product for you to earn money. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to write an article about how to lose weight with keto diet. Once we write the article, we can use it to promote this product so that we can get a lot of people to purchase it for us to make money. You can write an article by yourself or you can use ChatGPT to write an article for you. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use ChatGPT to write an article so that I can use it to promote the offer. So once you're on ChatGPT, what you have to do is that you have to type a prompt here so that ChatGPT can write an article for you. You can type a prompt like this: write an article about how to lose weight with keto diet, include what is keto diet, benefits of keto diet, how to use keto diet, effects of keto diet. You want ChatGPT to write an article about how to lose weight with keto diet, but it must include all this information. Now once you have your prompt, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, send, so that it can write a full article for you. So click on send. Once you click on it, you can see it is writing the article. You can see everything. It is going to write a full article for you. As you can see everything, you can see it is writing everything for you. As you can see, it has finished writing the article. When I scroll up, you can see everything in the article. You can see everything. It has written a nice article for us. So now what you have to do is that you have to get people to read this article so that they can purchase the product that we are promoting. So what you have to do is that you have to search for Google Docs. Once you search for it, click on the first link that you see. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Click on Go to Docs. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Click on Blank Document. Once you click on Blank Document, a page is going to open like this. This is where you're going to copy and paste your article. So you have to come back on ChatGPT and then highlight and copy the title of the article. Once you highlight and copy the title of the article, you are going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Now what you have to do is that you have to highlight it and then make it bold. As you can see, that has been done. You can also increase the font size. So click on it and then increase the font size. As you can see, that has been done. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to copy and paste the body of your article here. So you have to come back on ChatGPT and then highlight and copy your article. Highlight it and then copy it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you're going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. This is your article. You can see your article has been pasted. You can see everything in your article. You can see it. You can see everything in the article. If you want, you can increase the font size of the text. For example, you can highlight it like this. Once you highlight it, you can increase the font size to 11. As you can see, that has been done. Now once you have your article, the next step is that you have to insert your affiliate links in the article so that when people are reading the article, they can click on your affiliate links and then purchase the products. You can insert your affiliate links as many as you want in your article. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to type a call to action here. Discover how to use a keto diet to lose weight fast and naturally. So something like this. Once that is done, you have to insert your affiliate link here. So you have to come back on Market Help. Once you come back, highlight and copy your affiliate link. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, click on this icon, insert link. Once you click on it, paste your affiliate link here and then click on apply. As you can see, that has been done. Now once that is done, you have to highlight and then copy your call to action. Once you highlight and copy your call to action, the next step is that you have to insert it in any part of the article that you want. So insert it in any part of the article that you want. In this case, I'm going to insert it here. So paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll upwards. Scroll upwards. Once that is done, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Now once you have inserted your affiliate link in your article, the next step is that you have to share this article so that you can get people to read it and then click on your affiliate link so that they can purchase the product for you to make money. So you're going to click right here, share. Once you click on share, you're going to see a page like this. You can see restricted. That means people cannot get access to your article. What you have to do is that you have to make it accessible so that anyone who has the link can get access to the article. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see anyone with the link. Select that. Once that is done, you can click right here, copy link. So when you copy the link and then share it to anyone, once they click on your link, they can be able to get access to the article and then read it. Now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can share the link to your article to people so that they can download the article and read it. The traffic source that we're going to be using today is Facebook. Facebook has a lot of different groups that you can join to promote your article. There are a lot of different groups related to weight loss, so you can search for any of them and then promote your article so that you can get many people to read it and then take the action for you to make money. So what you have to do is that you have to search for weight loss. Just search for weight loss, weight loss. Once you search for it, you can be able to get groups so that you can join. You can see these are groups that you can join. You can see weight loss for beginners, we have weight loss tips, fast weight loss products group, and many others. If you click on see all, there are many other groups that you can join to promote your article. You can see a whole lot of different groups that you can join. You can see a whole lot of different groups that you can join. You can see a whole lot of them. So just join as many as you want so that you can promote your article. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see a whole lot of different groups that you can join. You can join any of them. So if you want, you just click on join. Once you click on it, you have joined the group. You can see the next one. Just click on join so that you can be part of the group. Join as many as you want so that you can promote your article. In this case, I have already joined several groups, so I'm going to use one of them to demonstrate for you to see how you can use the Facebook groups to promote your article. Let me click on groups so that I can show you the groups that I've joined and how you can promote your link using the groups. You can see a whole lot of them. Let me show you the groups. So you can see I'm a member of a lot of different groups. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. In this case, I'm going to be using this group to demonstrate for you to see weight loss USA. So click on it so that you can use the group. Once you open the group, you're going to see a page like this. You can see a lot of different other people who have made posts on the group. You can see a whole lot of different people who have made posts in the group. You can see this is a post. When you scroll down, there are many others. As I scroll, you can see a lot of different posts in the group. You can see this person right here is promoting a Days 2024 affiliate product. You can see it right here, lean bellies. So you can equally promote your link here for free without paying for anything. You can see a whole lot of different people who have posted things in the group. You can see this one is a link. So when you make a post in this group, your post will be approved and it will be live for people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. You can see this is how to lose weight. You can see the person has posted a link in the group. Now what you have to do is that you have to also make a post. To make a post, you can see write something, click on it so that you can be able to make your post. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to write a post inviting people to read your article. So just write a post that will get people to read your article. In this case, I have my post, so I'm going to paste it for you to see. As you can see, that has been done. This is my post. You can equally make a post like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to insert your affiliate link at the end so that when people read your post, they can click on your link and then read the article. Once they read the article, they can continue to buy the product through your affiliate link. So now what you have to do is that you have to come back and then click on copy link. Once you click on it, you can copy the link to your article. Once you have copied the link, the next step is that you have to shorten it. So search for short link. Once you search for it, you're going to see a page like this. Click on it so that you can shorten the link to your article. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to paste your link here and then click on shorten. Once you click on it, you can see your link has been shortened. Click right here to copy it. Once you copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. Paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Now once that is done, you're going to click right here post so that your post will be live in the group. Once that is done, you can see your post is live in the group. You can see it right here. This is your post. You can see the post is live in the group. So when people click on this link, they are going to be directed to the article, and when they read the article, they can be able to click on our affiliate link and then purchase the product for us to make money. So make sure you go and take action. Keep on posting different products into this group. Keep on posting different weight loss products into this group so that you can get many people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.